Hi everyone, I would like to share a good news with you and one very important announcement to make coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan and welcome to today's episode. And today I'm very happy and I would like to share this good news with you that with the help of all of you, the monetization for this channel is now on. So I would like to express my gratitude for you people. I would like to say thank to all of you, those who have loved and watched my video, those who have liked my videos, those who have shared my videos, and due to your love and support, finally I have achieved the target of 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 365 days. And thereafter I submitted the application for YouTube partner program, which is called the YouTube monetization in short, and finally on the 10th of July my monetization application has been accepted and now the monetization for this channel is turned on. So I would like to again say thank you to all of you, those who have helped me to achieve this target, and keep on showing your love and support so that I keep on creating more and more useful videos for you guys. And now is the time to make an important announcement. And the important announcement is that now I have finally decided to keep this channel only reserved for the English tutorials. Earlier I used to post the videos on Hindi as well as in English, and that was confusing my audience because there are certain people who know only English and they don't know Hindi, and they are interested in watching only the English tutorial, whereas there are certain audience of mine who wants to learn only in Hindi, and I used to post the videos on English as well as in Hindi, so that was confusing them. So finally I have decided to make a separate channel for my Hindi Photoshop tutorials, and the name of that channel is Hindi Photoshop Photography Tutorials. And so if you have not checked that out, please do check that out. There is a link in the description section below. And if you are interested in learning both Hindi and as well as in English, do subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed. And if you are interested only learning in Hindi language, then do subscribe to my that channel. Link is in the description section below. So what are your thoughts guys on this decision, whether this is right or not? Please do let me know in the comment section below. I have already published certain videos on that Hindi channel. If you have not checked them out, go and check them. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.